When I'm gone, will you take good care of everything? Will you keep your wedding ring when I'm gone? And when I'm gone, will you take it all the photographs? Maybe spend a moment in the past when I'm gone. When you miss me in the night, will arms reach out?